Hello, 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 my dear students. Hello, my dear students. Hello, good morning. This is Dr. F.Syed from DBS Institute of Technology. Today I'm going to teach you about entrepreneurship. Unit number 1, the traits of entrepreneurs. What are the traits of entrepreneurs? That's you're going to see in this topic. The traits are 1, passion and motivation. What passion and motivation? Is there something you can work on over and over again without getting bored? What's passion? What is the meaning of passion? Passion is some work which we do or going on working, but we never get bored. So it's your passion of doing that work. Is there something that keeps you awake because you have not finished it yet? Is there something that keeps you awake because you have not finished it yet? What does it mean? It means that you are doing some work, you are doing some work, but until you finish it, you never sleep. Is there something you have built and want to continue to improve upon again and again? Is there something you have built and want to continue to improve upon again and again? Something you have started until you finish, you never get sleep. You are just going on to improve upon again and again. Is there something you enjoy the most and want to continue doing to the rest of life? So, is there anything you enjoy the most and want to continue doing to the rest of life? Next slide. Successful entrepreneurs are willing to risk time and money on an uncertain future, but also keep resources and make plans to deal with unknown problems. Is the risk worth the cost of your career, time, and money? What will you do if the venture doesn't pay you off? So this is what you are saying is this taking the risk or spending a lot of amount in your business. You never get the returns. So you are taking the risk of this business. Number 3, self-belief and hard work. Successful entrepreneurs believe in themselves and enjoy what they do. A successful entrepreneur, he believes himself. He knows that what he is doing is correct, what he is following in a right path. So will enjoy whatever they do. Can you focus and have faith in your ideas? Can you focus and have faith in your ideas? Can you demonstrate a discipline and a dedication despite detractors? Can you focus and have faith in your ideas? So you have different ideas, but you should have faith in your ideas. Can you demonstrate discipline and dedication despite distraction? You demonstrate discipline to others and you have a dedication toward the discipline. You are going on continue the dedications in spite of many distractors. You will be disturbed by others. Many other people, they will stop you to doing this, but still you will be continuing doing this. Successful entrepreneur believe in themselves and enjoy what they do. A successful entrepreneur believe in himself and enjoy what he is doing with his work. He will enjoy his work. He is not bothered with the others. Can you focus and have faith in your ideas? Whatever the ideas you are making, the entrepreneur should have a faith in those ideas. Can you demonstrate discipline and dedication dis- despite of detractors? So you are demonstrating the discipline to others. Though you have different people, they may like it, may not like it, and you are having distractions, but still you will be going on, continuing. Number four, adaptability and flexibility. Successful entrepreneurs welcome all suggestions for optimization or customization that enhances their offering and satisfies market and customer needs. Do you know the successful entrepreneurs? They welcome all the suggestions which the others they will give. They don't stop listening the others' suggestions. They listen the suggestions for optimization or customization. Then they enhance their offering and satisfy market and customer needs. So he's doing something, but still the customers they are generally they never satisfies. So they will tell some more things that they don't like this, like this. So the entrepreneur he will hear all the suggestions. Then finally he will make his decision upon this. And he will try to satisfy the customers. Can you be flexible in adapting to dynamic market and changing customer needs? So an entrepreneur should be always flexible in adapting something in his business in relation to the dynamic markets, and he should be able to change the customer's needs. It's not like that he has done something. That's all. Customers should satisfy. It's not like this. Whatever the customers they see and they like, he will try to adopt it and try to satisfy these customers. Successful entrepreneurs realize money management in mandatory and plan for present and future obligations. The successful entrepreneur realize money management in mandatory, that is mandatory, and plan for present and future obligations. So, a successful entrepreneur, he should know about money management. Money management is a mandatory in a business. If you are unable to manage money, finance, then you can't do the business. Money management is most important. So these entrepreneurs, they realize about money management and plan for the present and future needs. Can you handle keeping sufficient cash flows after becoming operational? See, you have started your factory, your production, then you should be able to handle sufficient cash flows. So if you are able to do it, then you will be a successful person. Money management. Successful entrepreneurs realize money management is mandatory and plan for present and future obligations. Successful entrepreneurs realize money management is mandatory and plan for present and future obligations. Can you handle keeping sufficient cash flows after becoming operational? So you should be able to handle the cash flows after the production has been started. Then it comes planning. Number 7. Successful entrepreneurs make plans as much as possible but maintain mindset and temperament and dealing with unforeseen possibilities. So successful entrepreneurs, they will make plans as much as possible. That is, anything he want to do, first he will make plan for everything, and he will maintain a mindset and temperament. He will maintain the mindset and control his temperament for dealing with unforeseen possibilities. Unforeseen possibilities. These are the problems which he faces. Generally, when anybody have a problem, he doesn't have mindset and he will lose his temperament. But a successful entrepreneur, he will maintain his mindset and he manages his temperament. What are your time and money targets? Are they feasible? What are your time and money targets? See, a successful entrepreneur never sees time. He will be ready to work even for 18 to 24 hours per day because he will have his own targets. He wants to complete his target. He never bother about the timings. So he will become a successful person. Though these timings and money is not feasible, he will try to make it successful and he will do it with patience. Networking abilities. Successful entrepreneurs find experienced mentors, and build networks to seek valuable advice. So these successful entrepreneurs, they will find experienced business people. Those are the mentors to him. And they will build up a network to seek valuable advices from the other entrepreneurs. Can I create a network to tap for solutions? The question is, as an entrepreneur, if you're able to create a network and he may try to grasp the information from the network. That is, in the network there will be a lot of experienced business people. If he gets any problems, he may be able to get the solutions from these people. Then it's very helpful for him to do his business. Being prepared to take the exit. Not every attempt ends in success. Successful entrepreneurs know when to cut their losses and try something different rather than continue to lose money in a failing venture. Not every attempt ends in success. So, to anybody or for any businessman, if they attempt to do something, sometimes it may be success or sometimes it may not be success. Successful entrepreneurs know when to cut their losses and try something different rather than continue to lose money in a failing venture. So, the successful ventures, successful entrepreneurs, they know when to cut down their losses and try something different rather than continue to lose money in a failing venture. They know it, that they are going to lose money, but however, they will try to manage it. Can you leave a venture if it fails? Suppose the venture got failed. Are you going to close down your business? This is a question, important question. Suppose if you leave the business, what happens? Business will be closed. And your future expectations will be closed. But a successful entrepreneur, he never closes his business. He will try for some other things. Once he failed in his business, again he will try to develop it or he will start another business. This is the trait of an entrepreneur. Successful entrepreneurs do gut checks. Can you do this? Do you want this? So a successful entrepreneur, he will have guts. He will check the guts. He never afraid of anything. He uses his knowledge and he will try to do the business even in any difficulty. If you are able to do this, then you will be a successful entrepreneur. Well, this is the end of the slide. My dear students, this is a small topic. Let's I finish it. I hope you understood well. Still, if you have any doubts, you can call me. I can clear your doubts. But I'm not closing this session. We'll move forward to another topic. Just wait, be patient. Now we will go through the types of entrepreneurs. Same in the unit number 1. We will see here how many types of entrepreneurs are there. Slide number 2. In these types of entrepreneurs, entrepreneurs is a complex term that's often defined simply as running your own business. What does it mean? An entrepreneur starts his business. He will try to run his business with his all efforts. But there is a difference between a business owner and an entrepreneur. However, I think you might have heard this word, business owner. Now, here one is business owner and another one is entrepreneur. So there is again a difference is there. And although one can be both, although one can be both, a person can become a business owner or an entrepreneur. What distinguishes entrepreneurship is a person's attitude. You will understand well about business owner. But as an entrepreneur, you should try to understand. So it's the entrepreneur and business owner. In between these two, the person's attitude will be there. Next slide. Based on the type of business, one is trading entrepreneur. These people, they procure the finished products from the manufacturers and sell these to the customers directly or through a retailer. Trading entrepreneur. He will trade. He will trade. He never manufactures. So they will get the finished product from the manufacturer and sell this to a customer directly or through a retailer. And these serve as the middlemen, as wholesaler, dealers, and retailers between the manufacturers and customers. So these trading entrepreneurs are the middleman, like a wholesaler, a dealer, and a retailer. They will act between the manufacturer and customers. Number two, manufacturing entrepreneur. The manufacturing entrepreneurs, they manufacture the products. These people, they won't do that. They won't do only training, but they will manufacture the product. They identify the needs of the customers. These manufacturers, they identify the needs of the customer, what the customers want. Then explore the resources and technology to be used to manufacture the product to satisfy the customer's needs. So they will find the needs of the customers. Then they will explore the resources and technology to manufacture those products, and they will try to satisfy the customer needs. Next slide. Agricultural entrepreneurs. The entrepreneurs who undertake agricultural pursuits are called agricultural entrepreneurs. The people who are engaged in the agricultural pursuits, they are called agricultural entrepreneurs. They cover a wide spectrum of agricultural activities like cultivation, marketing of agriculture, produce, irrigation, agriculture produce, irrigation, mechanization, and technology. So these agricultural entrepreneurs, these people, they cover a wide spectrum of agriculture activities. In these activities, cultivation will be there, marketing of agricultural products will be there, irrigation, mechanization, and technology is included in this one. Slide number 6. On entrepreneurs, technical entrepreneur. Who is this person? We are calling him as technical entrepreneur. The entrepreneur who establishes and runs science and technology based industries are called technical entrepreneurs. So he is a person who establishes a business and run science and technology that is based on industries. So he is called technical entrepreneur. If we speak alternatively, these are the entrepreneurs who make use of science and technology in their enterprise. These people, they use science and technology in their business. Again, non-technical entrepreneur. Based on the use of technology, the entrepreneur who are not technical entrepreneurs are non-technical entrepreneurs. So, the technology, based on the technology, the entrepreneurs who are non-technical entrepreneurs are non-technical entrepreneurs. They are concerned with the use of alternative and imitative methods of making and distribution strategies to make their business survive and thrive in the competitive market. So these people are concerned with the use of alternative and imitative methods. These people, they use alternative and imitative methods of marketing and distribution strategies and make their business successful. Next slide. Private entrepreneur. This is owners based private entrepreneur. A private entrepreneur is one who has an individual sets up a business. So he is an individual person, he set up a business and is the sole owner of the enterprise. He is a sole owner of the enterprise and he will bear the entire risk involved in it. So because he is the only one person doing this business, he is the sole owner. So whatever the things comes out, he will have to face it. Whether it is successful or risked, he will bear it. Then state entrepreneur. When the trading or industrial venture is undertaken by the state or the government, it's called state entrepreneur. So a business has been started, that is the trading or industrial venture, and this has been undertaken by the state government. It is called state entrepreneur. Then joint entrepreneurs. When a private entrepreneur and the government jointly run a business, it's called joint entrepreneur. So there is a private business and a private entrepreneur and he will join with the government and they do the business. Then they call it as joint entrepreneurs. Then, based on the gender, that is, who is doing the business, whether he is a male or female, on this base, one is men entrepreneurs, another is women entrepreneurs. Men entrepreneurs, when business enterprise are owned, managed, and controlled by men, these are called men entrepreneurs. Women entrepreneurs, when women entrepreneurs are the enterprises owned and controlled by a woman or women having a minimum financial interest of 51% of the capital and giving at least 51% of employment generated in the enterprise to women. So this is women entrepreneurs. See here we have a few conditions. This is controlled by one woman or many women. And they should have minimum financial interest, their investment. So maybe a partnership company. In this partnership company, there should be for per 100 people, there should be at least 51% of women. 51% of, and they should also generate 51% of employment. They are called women enterprise. Based on the size of enterprises, again the entrepreneur has been classified as one small scale entrepreneur, number two, medium scale entrepreneur, number three, large scale entrepreneurs. Small scale entrepreneur, an entrepreneur who has made investment in plant and machinery up to 1 crore is called small scale entrepreneur. A person who invests up to 1 crore is called small scale entrepreneur. Medium scale entrepreneur, the entrepreneur who has made investment in plant and machinery above 1 crore but below 5 crores. So an entrepreneur who spends, who invested his money above 1 crore and below 5 crores for the purchase of plant and machinery, but not working capital. Just it's not included working capital. It's only plant and machinery. Number three, large scale entrepreneur. The entrepreneur who has made investment in plant and machinery with more than 5 crores. So anybody who invests more than 5 crores, then it is called large scale entrepreneur. Next slide. Based on Clearance Dunhoff classification. Clearance Dunhoff, 1949, on the basis of his study, see, this is Dunhoff is the name of a person. In 1949, on the basis of his study of the American agriculture, classified entrepreneurs in the manner that at the initial stage of economic development, entrepreneurs have less initiative and drive, and as economic development proceeds, they become more innovative and enthusiastic. So what the Dunhoff has said, as per his studies, he said about the American agriculture, he classified entrepreneurs in the manner that at the initial stage of economic development, entrepreneurs have less initiative. And as economic development proceeds, they become more innovating and enthusiastic. This is his findings. Next slide. Types of entrepreneurs. Innovating entrepreneur who introduces new goods, inaugurates new methods of production, discovers new market and recognition of the enterprise. A person who innovates new things, he inaugurates the new methods of production, discovers a new market and reorganize the enterprise is called innovative entrepreneur. Imitative entrepreneur. This is by readiness to adopt successful innovation inaugurated by successful innovating entrepreneur. See, already there is a successful business and somebody is going to start this type of business. It's already a successful business. Again, he is starting just by seeing how he is doing it. He is called imitative entrepreneur. Fabian entrepreneur. He is characterized by very great caution and skepticism in experiments in any change in their enterprise. So Fabian enterprise is characterized by a very great caution and skepticism in experimenting any change in their enterprise. So this person, he will do some experiments in his business, expecting something great. Is called Fabian entrepreneur. Drone entrepreneur. This person is a refusal to adopt opportunities to make changes in production, formulate even at the cost of severely reduced return. So some of the persons will be there, they will do business, of course they will be successful, but they refuse to adopt opportunities to make changes. They never want that any changes in their business to adopt something new. So these people, they are called drone entrepreneurs. Some more types of entrepreneurs listed by behavioral scientists. So still there are some more entrepreneurs as per the behavior of the entrepreneurs. That is Main point is creativity and innovation. You can see here high creativity and innovation people also there, and low creativity and innovation people. Some people have skills and they have good attitude of creativity and innovations, but some people that doesn't have. So invention, an inventor, he will have expert idea generator. So to do a business with invention, the person should have great ideas and he should be an expert idea generator. Then entrepreneur, a entrepreneur is have personal achievements. So entrepreneur, they want to do the business successfully. So a little difference is there, invention, entrepreneurship. So inventor have personal achievement attitudes. Promoter, empathic promoter, super sales person. So this person, he just go on promoting this business. So he's completely involved in the sales. So business promotion means a business which is having a high sales is a successful business where there will have good promotions. So a person who tries to promote the business is called a promoter. Then manager, administratory, a real manager. So manager who do the administration is called a real manager. You know well the difference between an entrepreneur and manager. A manager is a salaried person. He will follow the advice of the entrepreneur. He will follow the plans of the entrepreneur. Hmm? Whatever the entrepreneur says, he will do it. And he never take any type of risk because he is a salaried person. So all these needs management skills and they should know how to do the business. So these are the different types of entrepreneurs. This is conclusion is an entrepreneur is someone who has an idea and who wants to create a product or service that people will buy by building an organization to support those sales. So the conclusion is once again an entrepreneur is someone who has an idea and who wants to create a product or service that people will buy by building an organization to support those sales. This is the definition for this conclusion. Then, this is the last slide. So, hope you might have understood well about this traits of an entrepreneur. If you still have any doubts, you can contact me. I can explain you well. My dear students, Do you have any doubts? If so, please call me now itself. I can clear off all your doubts. Okay, boys. Thank you very much. We'll meet again.